Hello Bitcoin world, it's Brian here, the UK BitcoinMeister, back with another video in my series Bitcoin for Beginners. Welcome back to the channel. As always, please like this video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, bash the bell button so you get any notifications. Follow me on all my platforms, Twitter, Steemit, BitTube, DLive, DTube. I'm all at UK BitcoinMeister, so do follow me there, like, upvote any videos, particularly if you're watching this on Steemit. Today is Monday the 8th of October 2018, and it's great to be with you all. So let's get right into it. Today my topic is, where is Bitcoin going? Okay, right now all the talk is about that we're in a bear market, and we are. So those of us that are not really strong hand 20%ers, where are we? You know, are we teetering on, oh, should we sell our Bitcoin? Is it not going to go any further up? You know, so if we sell now, you know, that might be good before it goes down. Well, what I wanted to do on this show was I wanted to draw, if you like, some comparisons with or comparisons is the wrong word. I wanted to talk to you about a couple of things that I've picked up on that other content creators are talking about. And on this particular video, I want to talk about Andy Hoffman from Crypto Gold Central. Do follow Andy Hoffman because he's got a fantastic channel. He works he does podcasts also on the World Crypto Network. Great guy to follow. This was last week when he put a post out there on Steemit, and I want to read it to you. Okay, now I'll put a link down below to that article, but if you're worried about where is this going, let me read this to you. Of all the bullish goings on in crypto, which due to this year's Bitcoin consolidation and altcoin bear market have been masked, what I just read may be the most bullish of all, more so even than an ETF approval, which is the valuation increase Coinbase may be about to receive. Everyone's doing a show on Coinbase, so I'm going to be no different. Last summer, just before the big crypto surge that occurred when SegWit locked in and the Bcash fork failed to harm the Bitcoin network, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, Coinbase, was valued at roughly $1.5 billion. Today, despite a bear market that has dramatically reduced crypto trading volumes, Coinbase claims to be profitable and again is adding massive amounts of users to the tune of 5 million in the last 6 months. So does that look like a cryptocurrency that's going away when exchanges like Coinbase are adding, 5 million users to their Coinbase platform in 6 months? No, it definitely doesn't, but it gets better. I'll put a link to this article below so that you can have a look at it for yourself on Steemit. But his article reads, to that end, we just learned that its valuation may shortly be increased by more than 5x as Tiger Global, a UK hedge fund that invests mainly in global consumer brands, is reportedly considering a $500 million investment in Coinbase, which would boost the startup's valuation close to $8 billion and strengthen the cryptocurrency market's legitimacy, according to sources that spoke to Recode. The investment would make Coinbase one of the highest value startups in the world. So for you weak hands or teetering 20%ers, again, does that sound like a company that's going to the wall? Not to me, it doesn't. Okay, so these are the types of articles that you need to find out about yourself by following the right commentators, following channels like mine that will actually put information from those commentators out there, and that will help people like yourself, if you're not a 20%er with that strong hand, to build your strong hand. Because my philosophy is and always will be, step one, buy some Bitcoin. Step two, get it off an exchange like Coinbase or local Bitcoins, if that's where you bought it, onto a hardware device like a Trezor. Step 3, do nothing. Get on, live and enjoy your life, and wait for the halvings of 2020, 2024, 2028, etc. to come around, depending if you're younger than I am. That's my advice. It's always going to be my advice not to trade, not to move your Bitcoin in and out of fiat currency and back into Bitcoin, because you're going to be then liable for taxes because you've taken money from Bitcoin, capital gains taxes. So you don't want to be doing that until the time is right for you to say, right, I've amassed what I need. Now this is what I'm going to do. One more article I picked up also back end of last week. This was from another show from Adam Meister. South Africa's president's son recently ran a Bitcoin conference in Johannesburg. Oh my goodness, how big a news is that when the president of South Africa, his son, has just ran a Bitcoin conference. So are we in the right place at the right time? Are you in the right place at the right time? You know, when we hear of doom and gloomsters, fudsters saying, Bitcoin's going nowhere, it's hit its high now, it's not going to go anywhere. You know, when you find out, you know, informations like this, that just underpins to me that yet again, we are in the right place at the right time, and we need to stay strong. We need to get that Bitcoin off an exchange, keep it on our Trezor. Again, links to anything you might need to be in that position you will find below. You'll find Andy Hoffman's link here. You'll find a link to a video for the content creators that I encourage you to follow the same as I do. There'll be links for you to buy t-shirts from Bitcoin to the moon. There'll be links to get onto Coinbase. There'll be links to get onto local Bitcoins. Basically, there's every link possible. There's a link to my website with all the archives of every video I've ever done. So there's enough information on my site and all the other commentators' sites that you follow or you should follow to help you to build your long-term 20%er strong hand mentality. Buy your Bitcoin, get a little bit each month if you can, amass it like a savings plan, and then wait for those halvings. So brief show, but I hope you found it useful, guys. As always, like I've said, like the video, share the video. If you're looking at this on Steemit, please do re-steam and upvote. I'd greatly appreciate that one. Same on YouTube, give us a thumbs up. If you're looking at it on BitTube, their like button is called leave a tip, or a tip it says. So click that button as well. Same with DLive. All of those platforms are alternative social media platforms to things like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, etc., where you've got the freedom of free speech and you can actually earn money for posting good content. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to all those channels, follow me, guys. And until the next video, as always, have a strong hand, delay gratification, long-term thinking, personal responsibility, without doubt, is the new counterculture. Taking personal responsibility for your financial sovereignty is looking after your Bitcoin, never losing your private keys, never exposing them on any website, so that when you amass whatever it is you're looking for from this exciting time, you'll be in really good shape. Until Thursday, have yourselves a fantastic Bitcoin day. I'll catch you all on Thursday.